Welcome back. Hope you have a beautiful day and making it awesome one for you. In this video, you can see on the screen Windows secret host error, my friend, in the Windows 11. How to fix? Very simple. So, direct go to browser, any of your choice, any of your favorite browser. I'm going to Windows, Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. In the search bar, type here auto runs download. At the enter official website of Microsoft, click on that and then download. And from that link, download AutoRuns. It is only of 3.7 MB. After downloading, go to download location and it will be downloaded as a zip file. You have to extract with your favorite software. I usually use WinRAR and you can also use any of your favorite software. You have to extract that zip file. And after extracting, it will be extracted. Then you have to open that folder where you have extracted that. You have to run AutoRuns of 64-bit. So right click on the AutoRun 64-bit of, and then right click and then run as administrator. Run the AutoRun 64-bit, run as administrator. First right click on that and then run as administrator. Hit the yes. And after that, go to quick filter bar and type here VBS. Hit the enter and please wait for some time. On the bottom you can see scanning it's and wait for till it's scanning. Wait for some seconds till it will show any of red or yellow line. And after, on the bottom you can see scanning schedule task is done. When it is done, you have to find out any red or yellow line. In this case you can see, my friend, here in my case is a red, or you can see orange or red line. This is red lines, basically not verified. And what is that means? You have to simply delete that line even if it is red or yellow. You can see this, there is Windows update line and that is red line. What you have to do, simply right click on that line and then delete, or the shortcut Control or Command D. First of all select that, then right click and then delete, or the shortcut select that and Control or Command D to delete that. So simply right click and then delete. So you have, see, look at further for more line, red or yellow lines. So as you can see, there is no more red or yellow line. So that means the only line was that I have deleted. So you have also delete that any red or yellow lines. Now again keep remember, my friend, you have to delete any red or yellow lines. After deleting, your issue have fixed, my friend. And on the bottom you can see that ready. And simply close that and then restart your system or PC. And after restarting, I want to show you that my error has fixed or not. So let me show you. And after restarting the system, my friend, you can see on the screen there is no error and the issue have fixed. My friend, you can also do the same process if you have got that issue and your error can be fixed. And hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out on any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So maintain the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.